Hey guys, I'm Alec with Hennessey Performance, and today I have a very special treat for you. I am standing next to this brand new 2025 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing Le Monstre Edition. Now, for those that aren't familiar with the car, I'm not that surprised, but don't worry. Today we are going to cover everything that makes this one of today's most unique and most coveted collector vehicles. Before we talk about this car, let's go back to the beginning. In 1950, Cadillac entered the 24-hour Le Mans with a Series 61 coupe that was heavily modified. The code name for that race car, you guessed it, Le Monstre. So here we are in 2025 with this beautiful 2025 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing Le Monstre Edition to honor that exact car. Now, they're only building 101 of this vehicle to honor 101 years of the 24-hour Le Mans. So now that you've got the backstory of how we got here, let's talk about all the specifics on why this car is such a coveted vehicle in today's collector car market and one of the coolest Cadillacs we've ever seen. Now, the exterior of this vehicle is finished in Magnus Metal Frost. This is a factory paint color from Cadillac with a beautiful and incredibly sinister looking satin finish. Now, with that, you also get gloss black badges to fully accent the car. And then my favorite part, and probably one of the most unique factors of this vehicle, is the level 1 and level 2 tinted blue carbon. This car is as well loaded and as well equipped as any Cadillac that you can get. The CT5-V Blackwing is probably the last American car, other than a Corvette ZR1 or Z06, that you can get carbon ceramic brakes on. You get beautiful blue Brembo brake calipers that stand out amazing on this Magnus Metal Frost paint and really just complete the blue and gray theme throughout the car. Now you've got 19-inch wheels all the way around, and those are wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport S tires. All right, enough about the exterior. We're gonna pop the hood on this and talk about powertrain and drivetrain. Now, this Le Monstre Edition just landed at our facility, so we are getting ready to give this car our 1,000 horsepower upgrade, but first we're gonna talk about how this car comes from the factory. Underneath the hood is a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 that produces 668 horsepower, 659 pound-feet of torque. The cool thing with the CT5-V Blackwing is the customer has the choice of either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 10-speed automatic. This customer was fortunate to find a car out there in the market with the Le Monstre package and the 10-speed automatic. So this car is going to be an absolute animal with quick shifts and 1,000 horsepower in the coming weeks. Now, with the Le Monstre package, again, it's fully loaded. It's a more than $32,000 option added to the CT5-V Blackwing. With that, you have every single bell and whistle, all the carbon fiber accents, and some extras. Starting at the dash, you have a 33-inch fully digital display that has complete control over how you tailor this car's driving experience for you. You've got carbon fiber on the steering wheel, carbon fiber on the center console, carbon fiber on the dash, and carbon fiber on both the driver and passenger seats. Last cool feature on the Le Monstre package, you have custom sill plates, and you get a custom set of keys with the same blue accents that you'll find on the Brembo carbon ceramic brakes and scattered throughout the interior. Now, as I stated before, this car just landed at our facility, but we couldn't wait to tell you all about the Le Monstre package. Next, it's headed back into our shop to get our H1000 upgrade, 1,000 horsepower and more than 960 pound-feet of torque. All of that comes with Hennessey's 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, giving this customer ultimate peace of mind so that they can spend more time driving it and enjoying it and less time worrying about it. Now, if you're interested in learning more about the H1000 upgrade, or you own a Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing and say, I want 1,000 horsepower, give our team a call or visit the link in the description below to learn more. We'll also have a ton of content coming on this Le Monstre Edition after it goes through the build process. So if you're interested in seeing this car rip around the Pennzoil Proving Grounds at our facility, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for much more. Until next time, we'll catch you in the fast lane.
Uh-oh, little American horsepower, baby.